the 2026 Kia Niro. Luxury efficiency that saves you money. The automotive landscape is changing rapidly. Consumers in 2026 aren't just looking for a new vehicle. They want one that won't drain their wallets at the pump or in the repair shop. With fluctuating gas prices and the upcoming shift away from internal combustion engines, fuel economy is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. But most buyers aren't willing to sacrifice comfort or cutting-edge features. The 2026 Kia Niro stands out as a rare exception. A hybrid SUV that delivers both impressive savings and a surprisingly premium experience. The rising demand for efficiency, the modern automotive buyer expects luxury without the crippling cost. While some will always prioritize raw performance, the average consumer wants a car that's both fuel-efficient and comfortable. Traditional hybrids often lean too heavily into practicality, lacking the refined feel many drivers desire. The Niro addresses this gap, offering real-world savings without compromising on essential features. The Niro's financial advantage, the 2026 Kia Niro, doesn't just save you money on gas. It's designed to keep more cash in your pocket over the long term. EPA estimates show the Niro achieves up to 53 mpg in base models and 49 mpg in the top-spec version, nearly double the efficiency of the average new vehicle. Based on 15,000 miles per year, a top-spec Niro could save drivers around $4,000 over 5 years compared to an average car. More impressively, it beats German luxury competitors like the BMW X1 and Mercedes GLA by over $5,000 in fuel costs during the same period. Here's a breakdown of the Niro's fuel economy across various trims: LX, X, and SX. 53 mpg combined, 588 miles of range. SX Touring, 49 mpg combined, 540 miles of range. Plug-in hybrid, 48 mpg combined, 510 miles of range. EV variants, 113 mpga, 253 miles of range. The Niro doesn't just save you at the pump. With a starting price of $35,790 for the top-spec model, it undercuts the base BMW X1 by nearly $8,000. And thanks to Kia's industry-leading 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, you're also protected against costly repairs. Engineering efficiency. How the Niro works. The Niro's impressive fuel economy isn't just a matter of luck. It's a result of clever engineering. The vehicle uses a 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain operating on the Atkinson cycle, which extracts more energy from less fuel than conventional engines. The parallel hybrid architecture connects the engine and electric generator directly to the transmission, delivering instant power when needed. Despite its modest 139 horsepower output, the Niro feels more responsive than you might expect. The SX Touring trim sacrifices a slight amount of efficiency, 49 mpg, for a smoother, more refined driving experience. Key efficiency features include 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, improves power transfer. Green Zone Drive Mode optimizes fuel usage based on navigation data. Low drag coefficient, 0.29 CD, reduces air resistance. Beyond economy. A surprisingly luxurious interior, the 2026 Kia Niro doesn't feel like a stripped-down economy car. The top-spec SX Touring trim offers a genuinely premium experience, with features usually reserved for more expensive vehicles. These include front ventilated seats, Harman Kardon sound system, heated steering wheel, 10.25-inch displays, heads-up display, heated rear seats, remote smart parking, assist ambient mood lighting, acoustic laminated glass. The Niro's interior shares design cues with the acclaimed Kia EV9 and EV6, known for their high-quality materials and modern aesthetics. The use of Syntex leather and recycled materials adds a touch of sustainable luxury without the high cost of traditional leather. The verdict: a smart choice for the modern driver. The 2026 Kia Niro is a compelling option for drivers who want efficiency without sacrificing comfort or features. It strikes a rare balance between affordability, fuel economy, and a premium driving experience. At a lower price point than most German rivals, The Niro offers a tempting combination of value and practicality. If you're looking for a vehicle that won't punish you at the gas station and still feels luxurious, the Kia Niro deserves serious consideration.